Every day I upload free house designs on my subscribers demand. So the beautiful container house you are watching on the screen in this video, I'll share the complete floor plan with all the sizes and details, so keep watching the video. This is the floor plan of the house. The total area I have taken is width is 20 feet in meter 6 meter and the length is 16 feet in meter 4.87 meter. In the front we have a sliding door here. After that we will go inside. So we have living cum kitchen area here. The size of the living cum kitchen area is 11 feet into 11 feet 8 inches in meter 3.35 into 3.55 meter. You can see here the sofa arrangement, tea table arrangement and also a TV unit on the front wall, and we have dining counter here with 2 chairs, and we have kitchen counter here with burner, sink and also a refrigerator arrangement. We have a large size window for ventilation and light purpose. After that we will go on right side. So we have bedroom number first. The size of the bedroom is 8 feet into 7 feet 6 inches in meter 2.43 into 2.28 meter. You can see here the bed arrangement and also a window for ventilation and light purpose, and we have a study table with chair. After that we will go inside. So we have bedroom number 2 here. The size of the bedroom number 2 is 8 feet into 7 feet 6 inches in meter 2.43 into 2.28 meter. You can see here the study table and a large size window for ventilation of this room. After that we will go inside. So we have wash basin here, and we have washroom plus water closet for common use. Size of the washroom plus water closet is 7 feet 8 inches into 3 feet 4 inches in meter 2.33 into 1 meter. You can see here the water closet and the shower area, and both are separate. We have a ventilator for ventilation of this washroom. This is the floor plan of the house you are watching on the screen. If you want your free house design, so comment below. If you like the video, keep watching the video. Stay tuned with my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video. Thanks.